And they all like looked at me and like,
yeah,
what are you
that's
doing?
what I always say. But yeah. Yeah.
I just did that.
No, you didn't. It was before that. Anna's talking about something inappropriate. Okay, St. Peter, where are you?
He's on the left. This statue was erected in
1938. There's our group, so we should probably go this way. Well, we're at the Basilica of St. Peter, and we're gonna go to the Vatican. I don't know. I think it's the whole thing is the Vatican, but I didn't even know what the Pantheon was. So.
Hey, we're gonna talk about that.
So yeah. Okay. Pretty cool. I just paid like $5 for a coffee. See ya.